The next question reads, some roofs are figures, all figures are lions, all lions are goats, and no tool is lion. And the given conclusions are, some tools or figures is a possibility, all tools being goats is a possibility, no roof is tool, and some goats are figures. Let us look into the conclusion one after the other. Now let us look into those statements which have the terms tools and figures. The second and fourth statement have the terms tools and figures. We see that the common term is not aligned properly, and so we are going to realign it as per the priority order I, E and A. We have the E statement which is to be realigned, and after realignment we get after cancelling the common terms, when we combine the statements A and E, we get E as the answer. Now the conclusion we have arrived at is no figure is tool. Now the given conclusion is a possibility case, and so we will have to draw all the possible Venn diagrams for the conclusion we have arrived at. This is the only possible Venn diagram for no figure is tool. From this figure we will not be able to derive at the given conclusion some tools or figures, and hence conclusion 1 will be false. Now let us look into the second conclusion. We will have to look into those statements which have tools and goats as the subject and predicate. The third and fourth statement have the terms tools and goats. In these two statements also, we see that the common term is not aligned properly. In this case, it is enough if we just reorder the statement. We have cancelled the common terms. When we combine an E and A statement, we will get O reverse as the answer. The second conclusion is also a possibility case, so we are going to draw all the possible Venn diagram for the conclusion we have arrived at. Here we have to remember that the term after not will come as the inner circle. And now let us check the given conclusion with the diagrams we have drawn. In the second diagram, it is possible that all tools being goats is a possibility. and hence this being a possibility case, if it is true even in one diagram, then the conclusion is true. So the second conclusion is true. Now let us look into the answer options. We see that the third conclusion is not at all given there, and moreover the option D, none follows, will also be false because already conclusion 2 is true. So we are not going to waste our time in checking whether conclusion 3 is true or false. The fourth conclusion is some goats are figures. The second and third statement have these terms goats and figures. Common terms are aligned properly. So when we combine an A statement with another A statement, the result will be an A statement. From this we can derive and this can be converted to and this is our required given conclusion, and hence conclusion 4 is true. Now if we look into the answer option, we can see that only conclusion 2 and 4 follow, and our answer option will be option A. And now let us look into the answer slide. Yes, the answer option is A, only conclusion 2 and 4 follow. Let us look into the working slide. Conclusion 1 is being worked out and the Venn diagram is drawn, and it is proved that conclusion 1 is not true. We have the working for the second conclusion, where it is proved through the Venn diagram that all tools being goats is a possibility, and hence conclusion 2 is true. We will not be working with conclusion 3, and conclusion 4 is also proved to be true, and hence we have the answer option A, only conclusion 2 and 4 follow. Now let us move on to the next question.